Today we are going to perform the activity on light dependent resistor. This is the light dependent resistor. It is made up of semiconductor, that is cadmium sulfide या cadmium selenide, cadmium sulfoselenide and etc. So this LDR is get connected to the multimeter, and we have adjusted the knob of multimeter in the ohms range, that is to the 40 k ohms, that is 40 kilo ohms. In the LDR it is found that as the intensity decreases, the resistance of the LDR increases, and also it is found that the intensity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the source. To see the characteristics of this LDR, this is an observation table. We are going to place the LDR at a distance 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 from the given source. So here I have adjusted the LDR with the source at 5 centimeter, and now going to see the resistance. So it comes to be 0.42 kilo ohms. So going to write down the resistance for the 5 centimeter from the source is 0.42. Now we are going to change the distance between the LDR and the source, and will adjust the distance at 10 centimeter, and then going to measure the resistance in the multimeter. It comes to be 0.49. So in this way we are going to change the distance between the LDR and the source. Now let us adjust the LDR at 15 centimeter from the source and measure the resistance in the multimeter, and it comes to be 0.56. Then adjust the distance at 20 centimeter from the source, and the value is 0.72 or 71. So in this way, if you found here, as the distance increases, the resistance also increases. It means that the intensity of the LDR decreases. So let us find out the resistance in the same way for a further distance. So we have calculated the resistance value for varying the distance between the source and the LDR. It is found that as the distance increases, resistance also increases. Then we have calculated the square of this distance, and then we have find the reciprocal of this d square, and we'll try to get the values of 1 upon d square in the same power of 10. Now we will plot a graph of R versus 1 upon d square. We have plotted the graph of R versus 1 upon d square, and it comes as the exponential, that is a concave curve. So we can conclude the result as the intensity of light is inversely proportional to the square of a distance, as well as the intensity of light decreases, the resistance of LDR decreases. The graph of R against 1 upon d square shows the exponential decrease. Thank you.